A tiny mother fly nurturing a live baby with milk challenges everything we expect.
Inside the tsetse mother, a single larva grows safely as she feeds it nutrient-rich milk. The larva swells rapidly, nourished inside her body, protected from predators and harsh heat. When fully grown, the larva pushes outward as the mother searches urgently for safe ground. Why does this tiny mother invest so much energy into one child's survival? Because one strong offspring has a far better chance to survive than 100 fragile eggs. The larva emerges alive, instantly burrowing underground, where it transforms in hidden safety.
A mother fly giving milk to one precious child reveals nature's quiet brilliance.
Next comes weaver ants. Hidden Life Adventure Surid. Subscribe for more.